Have you ever looked towards retirement and felt a mix of excitement and uncertainty? You're not alone. Many people over 50 want to find purpose and confidence in this new chapter, but often struggle to understand how to get started. Conventional approaches often suggest jumping into complex business models or immediate investments. Some people end up overwhelmed by technical jargon or pressured into high-risk strategies. Unfortunately, many of these solutions don't take into consideration your unique pace, experience, and desire for a fulfilling entrepreneurial journey. As a result, they can lead to frustration rather than clarity. What if there was a way to begin your online business that honors your background while guiding you step by step? Imagine learning essential digital skills at your own speed and discovering a business path that aligns with your passions. This approach simplifies the learning process by breaking it down into manageable lessons, making it easy to implement as you go. You'll uncover what excites you, build your confidence, and take each step with intention. This method respects your life experience and focuses on creating a calm and organized foundation for your venture, allowing you to truly enjoy the journey. I'd like to show you a modern solution called Retirepreneur. It's already helped lots of people in the same situation as you, and you'll find the link below this video.